Preparing meals can often feel time-consuming, but with a few clever hacks, you can create delicious dishes in no time. Here are some 5-minute cooking hacks that'll make your kitchen experience smoother and quicker. First, use a microwave to its full potential. For instance, you can steam vegetables by placing them in a bowl with a little water, covering it with plastic wrap, and microwaving for 2 to 3 minutes. This method retains nutrients and is incredibly fast. Also, create fluffy scrambled eggs by whisking them in a microwave-safe mug, add a splash of milk, and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes while stirring halfway through. Secondly, spice up your food effortlessly. Create a quick garlic-infused oil by microwaving minced garlic in olive oil for 30 seconds. This adds depth to any dish. Or make a fast, fresh herb dressing by blending fresh herbs, olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. When it comes to baking, make use of pre-made dough. For example, roll out pre-made pizza dough, add toppings of your choice, and bake in a hot oven for a quick homemade pizza in under 5 minutes of prep time. Alternatively, use phyllo pastry sheets to create a fast apple strudel. Just slice apples, mix with cinnamon and sugar, wrap in the pastry, and bake. Finally, save time on cleanup by using parchment paper or aluminum foil to line your baking sheets and pans. This way, once you're done cooking, simply dispose of the liner and your pans remain clean. With these simple hacks, you'll find that cooking doesn't have to be an elaborate or time-consuming affair. Running short on time but still want to create something magical in the kitchen? Here are 5 quick cooking hacks that can transform your culinary experience. First, when you need to soften butter quickly, but don't want to melt it, simply grate it using a cheese grater. The small pieces will soften much faster than a whole stick. Second, if you're in a rush and need to ripen bananas, place them in a 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes. This will not only soften the fruit, but also enhance its sweetness. Third, keep your herbs fresh longer by wrapping them in a damp paper towel and storing them in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. This will keep them vibrant and usable for days, sometimes even weeks. Fourth, if you've oversalted a soup or stew, don't panic. Just drop in a peeled potato and let it simmer for a while. The potato will absorb some of that excess salt, saving your dish from disaster. Finally, to quickly peel garlic, crush the cloves lightly with the flat side of a knife. The skin will loosen immediately and come off more easily, sparing you the tedious task of peeling each clove by hand. These hacks are not just time savers, they can significantly improve the efficiency and enjoyment of your cooking process. Happy cooking! Cooking can be a time-consuming task, but with these hacks, you'll be able to whip up delicious meals in no time. Firstly, when boiling pasta, use less water and cover the pot with a lid to bring it to a boil faster. You can also place a wooden spoon across the top of the pot to prevent it from boiling over. Another quick hack is to use a microwave to soften butter quickly. Cut the butter into chunks and microwave it for short bursts until soft. Instead of struggling with peeling garlic, place the cloves in a container and shake it vigorously. The peels will come off easily. For a quick veggie stir-fry, pre-chop your vegetables and store them in the fridge. When you're ready to cook, you'll have everything prepped. Want a fast dessert? Microwave a mug cake. Mix flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and a pinch of baking powder in a mug. Add milk, oil, and a splash of vanilla. Microwave for about a minute and enjoy an instant treat. Lastly, use a waffle iron to make more than just waffles. Waffle hash browns, waffle pizzas, and even waffle quesadillas are creative and quick alternatives for a fun meal. These hacks will save you time and make cooking more enjoyable. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we reveal quick and effective cooking tips that will transform your culinary experience. Whether you're an aspiring chef or an experienced cook, these techniques will help you prepare tasty meals in no time. Ready to impress your friends and family with restaurant-quality dishes? Then stay with us. Cooking can sometimes seem intimidating, but with the right tricks, you can become a pro in no time. In this video, we show you how simple techniques can make all the difference in your dishes. Don't miss our practical tips to save time and improve your recipes. Here are some of the tips we will cover in this video. Preparation in advance. Learn to prepare your ingredients in advance to save time during cooking. For example, cutting your vegetables and storing them in airtight containers can save you precious minutes on weekdays. One-pot cooking. Discover how to prepare a complete meal in one pot, which reduces cleaning time. We'll show you a roasted chicken and vegetable recipe that is not only delicious, but also quick to make. Quick cooking techniques. We'll share quick cooking methods like blanching and sautéing. For instance, blanching vegetables before sautéing can enhance their color and flavor while reducing cooking time. Quick spices and marinades. Learn how to create express marinades that will enhance any dish. A simple marinade made of yogurt and spices can transform ordinary chicken into a succulent dish in minutes. Using leftovers. Find out how to creatively reuse leftovers to create new, tasty dishes. Cooking doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few quick and effective tips, you can transform your culinary experience and elevate your dishes. First, always read through the entire recipe before starting. This will help you understand the steps and gather all the necessary ingredients and tools. Secondly, invest in a good knife and keep it sharp. A sharp knife makes chopping faster, safer, and more precise. Thirdly, taste as you go. This will allow you to adjust seasonings and ensure the final product is to your liking. Also, don't overcrowd the pan when sautéing ingredients. This causes them to steam rather than brown, affecting their texture and flavor. Use a thermometer to check the doneness of meats to avoid overcooking. Remember that fresh herbs can make a big difference. Add them towards the end of the cooking process to preserve their vibrant flavors. Additionally, mastering a few basic techniques, such as roasting, grilling, and braising, can expand your repertoire of dishes. Finally, clean as you cook to keep your workspace organized. These tips will help you cook more efficiently and with greater confidence, making the entire process more enjoyable.